Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GoMechanic Gusto T10 Tyre Inflator. This is a digital tyre inflator that comes with 1 year of warranty. This comes with fast inflation, digital screen, unique design, portable and handy design, LED light indicators and also auto shut off functions. And okay, so over here there's some more information. The voltage required is 12 volts. Material is ABS plus metal, so this has some metallic components to it, and it weighs around 800 grams. The variant is black and yellow. And that's all the information on the box. I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are all the components of the box. There you can see the inflator. There's a close look of the inflator. Let's quickly take a look at what documents we have. We have a thank you note from GoMechanic. We have a warranty registration card from GoMechanic, and this is the user manual for the Gusto T10 Tyre Inflator. Everything that you want to know, instructions, product parameters, everything is given right over here. Which brings me to the product parameters. This over here it says input voltage 12 volts, which I mentioned. Power is 120 watts. So this is a 120 watt tyre inflator. Wire length is 3 meters. Cylinder diameter is 19 millimeters. Mode of power supply, mounted cigarette lighter. So this comes with a 12 volt cigarette lighter as well. Maximum air pressure 150 psi. So let's take a look at the different elements. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this rugged design over here. This has metallic components to it, but okay, probably inside. I don't see any metallic component on the outside over here. This is all made out of ABS plastic, solid build. This has this black and yellow color combination as well. And notice the GoMechanic logo right over here. This is the on-off button, and there's an LCD screen over here, and a plus minus and R button for switching between the different modes, and also to increase and decrease pressure, air pressure in this regard. At the back you have these 4 stops that provide some bit of anti-skid properties. A lot of stuff in this groove over here. Okay, there are 2 grooves here. Basically there's 1 groove over here and 1 groove over here. I'll come to them, but first there's a small packet. These are some extra attachments and some extra nozzles actually for different purposes, and there's also an extra fuse. This is an extra fuse for when this particular one burns or runs out, and this is the cylindrical fuse. These are basically attachments, different attachments for different kind of purposes. For instance, this is something that you use to inflate balloons if you need to do something like that. I'll put these attachments back in. Unless you have an adapter for a cigarette lighter to a wall socket, this can only be used inside a car. I finally managed to pull this nozzle out. So, 1 second. So there you go. This is what the nozzle looks like. This is basically the air hose. So all those attachments that I shown earlier. So this is where all these attachments go in. So this is where the stream of air will blow out of, and you can use these different attachments for different kind of purposes. For instance, instead of inflating tires, suppose you want to inflate balloons for a birthday party. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the GoMechanic Gusto T10 Tyre Inflator. Thank you for watching.